We all have that one person in our lives. They call you their friend. They smile at you. They invite you to dinner. But deep down in your gut, something feels off. When you share good news, their smile doesn't reach their eyes. Jealousy is rarely loud. It is not a movie villain screaming in your face. Real jealousy is quiet. It hides in plain sight. It is a slow, silent poison. And if you don't spot it early, this person will quietly sabotage your confidence and drain your energy while calling themselves your best friend. Welcome to Barely Psychology. Grab your notebook. Today, we are taking off the masks. Here are 7 signs someone is secretly jealous of you. Sign number 1, the backhanded compliment. A secret hater will never insult you directly. That would make them look bad. Instead, they wrap an insult inside a compliment. It is a poisoned apple. They say things like, "Wow, you got the promotion? You are so lucky." Notice the word lucky. They are subtly telling you that you didn't earn it. Or they say, "I love how you just wear anything and don't care how you look." It sounds like a compliment on the surface, but it leaves you feeling confused and small. Do not ignore that feeling. Your brain is recognizing a covert attack. Sign number 2, shrinking your success. Imagine you run to your friend with amazing news. You just bought a new car, or you lost 10 pounds. A normal friend would celebrate with you. A jealous friend will immediately deflate the balloon. They do this in 2 ways. First, they change the subject. You say, "I got an A on my exam." They say, "Oh, cool. Anyway, I am so tired today." Second, they try to one-up you. They cannot stand the spotlight being on you for even 5 seconds. They have to drag the attention back to themselves to feel safe. Sign number 3, the copycat. Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, right? Not always. When it comes from a jealous person, it is called identity theft. You buy a specific jacket. 2 weeks later, they buy the exact same jacket. You start a new hobby. Suddenly, it is their absolute favorite hobby too. Jealousy is rooted in deep insecurity. They look at your life and they want it. They don't just want what you have, they want to be you. But they will never admit it. They will act like they discovered the trend first. Sign number 4, they love it when you fail. This is a dark psychological concept called Schadenfreude, taking pleasure in someone else's pain. Pay close attention to how they act when you are going through a crisis. A jealous person will be the first one there to comfort you, but their energy will seem strangely upbeat. They will ask you for all the dramatic details of your breakup or your failure. They don't want to help you fix the problem. Your misery makes them feel better about their own insecure life. They love you best when you are broken. Sign number 5, public sabotage disguised as a joke. When it is just the 2 of you, they are perfectly nice. But the moment you are in a group of people, they suddenly turn on you. They bring up an embarrassing story from your past. They make a sarcastic joke about your weight or your job. They try to lower your status in front of the tribe. And when you get upset, they play the victim. "Wow, relax. You are so sensitive. I was just joking." It was never a joke. It was an assassination attempt. Sign number 6, advice that holds you back. Let's say you want to start a business or move to a new city. A true friend says, "That is scary, but you are going to crush it." A jealous friend will immediately plant seeds of doubt. They say, "Are you sure? The economy is really bad right now. I just don't want you to lose everything." They disguise their sabotage as concern. They don't want to protect you. They want to protect themselves from feeling inferior. If you stay exactly where you are, they don't have to feel bad about their own lack of progress. Sign number 7, the micro expression. The human face has 43 muscles. It is almost impossible to control all of them perfectly. When you walk into a room, pay attention to the very first split second of their reaction. Before they have time to put on their fake friendly mask, you will see a micro expression. It is a tiny, asymmetrical sneer. The eyes might narrow, the lips might tighten. It lasts for literally half a second. And then, boom, the big, fake smile appears. Trust what you saw in that first half second. Energy never lies. Listen to me. You do not need to confront these people. Confronting a jealous person is like arguing with a brick wall. They will just call you crazy. What you need to do is go back to episode 5. Become the gray rock. Stop sharing your wins with them. Protect your energy. Let them deal with their own shadows. It's barely psychology, but it works.